Hello everyone. Today I would want to explain the RAG architecture in very simple terms. Imagine your manager has given you a 100-page document and asked one question out of it. What will you do? Every time when someone asks a question, will you read the 100-page document to answer the question? No, right? This is the problem what RAG is trying to solve. Let's understand what is the RAG architecture going to do with this 100-page document and how is it going to answer the user. First step is called chunking. Chunking is nothing but breaking down the big document into small meaningful pieces so that it is easy for you to consume whatever you want and whenever you want. Now the second step is embeddings. Embedding is nothing but converting these chunks into the numerical representation. Why is this step needed? Let me give you an example. We have three statements. First statement is I went to the bank to deposit money. Second statement is I sat on the bank of the river and enjoyed the view. Now the third statement is in the bank manager helped me so I could complete my task faster. Now if you see, all these three statements have the word bank, but the context or the meaning of this is different. So this embeddings will make sure that the first and the third statement are placed closer to each other. And why is this important is whenever you're trying to retrieve the information, the user query is also matched with these chunks and the user matches will be retrieved. Concept of embedding is nothing but it will understand the context of the sentence and it will make sure that the similar sentences are placed closer to each other. The third step is vector database. Now the embeddings what we have are stored in the vector database so that every time when a user asks a question, the AI doesn't need to read the 100-page document every time. When user asks a query, this query is then again converted into the embeddings. Initially, how we converted each chunk into the embedding, in the same similar approach, the user question is also converted into the embedding. And now this embedding is now searched across the vector database. Now, the very similar vectors to the user question from the vector database will be retrieved. So this is the first step in the RAG, R for retrieval. Now, this information which is retrieved from the vector database is sent to the LLM. And this is the A in the RAG called argumentation. Now we move to the G, generation. Now what will the LLM do? It will generate the summary. That is whatever the information which is retrieved in conjunction with the prompt which we would have written. Like for example, give the summary very crisp in 1 to 2 lines, etc. So this is the prompt. Now the LLM will take the help of this prompt and it will generate the summary or the answer for the user. So this is what RAG means. If you like this information, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this.